This is a quick Halloween DIY that I am coming to show you guys. This is my 1-year-old son's Halloween costume. He is going to be a skeleton, and I wanted to make their costumes this year, so this year we're doing traditional monsters. So we're doing a skeleton, a mummy, and a ghost. So this is the first of the three, and this is my 1-year-old's the start of his costume. I would say this is a quick, easy Walmart DIY. As you can see, the shirt was $3.48. These little cute little joggers were $4.48. I also got this skeleton decal, I would call it, and this is just so I can know where to put the bones and things like that. You don't have to do this. You can also just wing it or go online and do it, but I want to do it this way because I think it will be easier. And this was only $1.98, so that is gonna come in handy. At first I was going to paint it, just the little skeleton part with this, and then press it onto the clothes. But I believe that I'm going to do that and then use this puff paint 3D, and that'll be pretty cool to see how it turns out. I might actually go back to the store and get the glow in the dark. I don't know for sure, but I might. And also it has this cute little pocket that I didn't realize here, and it is on the left side, so I was thinking about going back to get a little red puff paint, excuse me, a little red puff paint, so that I could draw a little heart right there, because I think that'll be pretty cute. So stay tuned. so here's the finished product on my little guy.